Good morning and welcome to the Flamingo Farmhouse. The post office is so lovely. I did 2-day express and it just got here from last week. So, you do what you can do. I have a lot of fun new designs I want to show you, along with heat transfers and all the things. But it's just way too exciting, you guys. I think I'm missing a couple of the little ones, but that's okay. I will put in no. I'll have to go and look. And I also have the Toy Story set to show you guys. So if you're just getting here, welcome to the Flamingo Farmhouse and thanks for watching the replay. I am going to go through some of these new stencils with you today just because I got them, and then I'm going to figure out which project I'm going to do a couple times this week. We'll see how it goes. And I do have a patriotic sun catcher I'd love to show you guys how to do. So let's start with this summer and patriotic kit. It is it's yummy, you guys. Okay, so we have a little patriotic barn. Talk about barn quilts. Wouldn't that be cool? Okay, so we got that one. And then we have Heroes Wear Dog Tags. Like that. America, the Land of the Free, 1776. And this would be cute to make it like red, white, and blue with watermelon, right? So I'm just going in size order here, and I'm going to set them over there. So I'm just going to go through and show you all the things right now. And then I did put on the page, what do you guys want me to make today? Do you want me to use one of these stencils, or do you want to do the sun catcher? You just have to tell me. I have to know these things. So Matthew 4:19, follow me and I will make you fishers of men. Love it. That is a t-shirt right there. And this one is a t-shirt, Americana, American Vintage. All American Girl, it says. That one's really cute with the little cottage core bows. 250 years since 1776. This one's kind of a little, I don't know if I'd do this one. It's called Rosé in the USA. Not my thing, but maybe it's yours. That's okay. It says 7 beers ago, red wine and blue, red, white, and brew. I like the flag. I think the flag is true. Okay, tried to It's a cute little denim pattern. That one's cute. And then this one's fun, Beware of the Wiggle Butts. That would be fun to put on a door hanger, front door hanger. I got allergies, you guys. Resting beach face, sun and fun, you are my sunshine, sunshine and tan lines, and tanned and tipsy. There you go. This one, instead of, it says Jesus loves you, and I would have put, and I do too, instead of, and I'm trying. Sweet tea served here. Give me some sugar. I like that one. That one's really cute. Okay, so those are all of the 8x10s. Now let's see what's next here. We've got a C-size. Oh, beautiful. From Sea to Shining Sea. That's really nice. That would be nice on a wall, or, like on a mantle. A mantle sign. That would be pretty with some flowers around it and such. And then we have a little bee design. Oops. These are too big to go where I had them. And then we have another C size that says, hey there, sunshine. Hello, sunshine. So for like a little leaner board, horizontal or vertical, you could do that. That's really cute. I like that one. I like the beach ball and the sun, little heart. And then we have the some more the merrier. That's cute if you have a little camper. We don't camp in Florida in the summer. That is a fall activity for us. We do not camp in the summer in Florida. It is just wrong and hot. This is one that y'all are really gonna like. I really like this one. What's this called? Floral tile pattern. This is really, really cute, you guys. I can see this on a backsplash in a kitchen. Like, that would be so cute, just saying. So, this is a really cute one. When you get here, make sure you say, hey, hey, and share and do all the things. So let's get into the heat transfers. This one says, you're impossible to shop for, but I gave it a try. Goodie bag, open in case of emergency. And you know these colors go real bright once you heat transfer them on. And then this one, what's it called? Looks like limes. Yeah, just the limes. A bunch of lime patterns. 2 sheets in each one of these for 10 bucks. That's kind of cool. This one I like, the butterfly heart heat transfer. I'll show you this side first. And then I'll turn around. And I think you could put some words in there with some ink. I think that would be really cute. Here's what I like. I really like this one. Look at that. The little flags hanging. That would be a cute t-shirt for, and there's some colors so that you can see the color scheme for 4th of July. I think that would be a cute t-shirt. Pups. Oh, what are these called? Patriotic Pups heat transfer. That'd be cute for a little bandana for your pup, right? And then this one says, God bless, and it has the American flag. It says, God bless. This one is nice. It says, the Liberty bells are ringing. And it's kind of like vintage Americana. It's called Liberty Bells heat transfer. This one I think would look so pretty on a garden flag, and then just put your name in it with ink or welcome across it. I think that would be so pretty as a garden flag. And this one you could cut up and do a whole bunch of happy gardening things with. I think that one's really pretty too. I like the dragonfly a lot. And then we have, this one's called 4th of July Florals. This would be pretty for a garden flag too. So that is our summer and patriotic set. What do you think? Say hey, hey. Now let's go on to Toy Story, because I just got that one in too. They all came at once. Things don't do what they're supposed to do, you guys. It's very sad to me. Oh, but that's okay. We just keep moving on, doing all the things. So with the Toy Story heat transfers, we have this one that says Family Sticks Together. It has all the people. It has Woody and Bo Peep and the aliens, all the things. And then this one says Saucy Cheesy Chosen from Pizza Planet with the little alien crazy guys. Pizza Planet. And then we have, of course, To Infinity and Beyond. And You've Got a Friend in Me. Do, 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 do. You've got a friend in me. I love this song. Okay, and then we have Jessie. So that would be a cute t-shirt for a little kid, or you could like use these in a bedroom, like frame them and put them on the walls. I think that's cool because then we have Buzz to go with it. So you got Jesse, Buzz, Woody. Those are really cool, guys, with a new movie coming out. That's really fun. And then you have the whole family. Andy's Toys, it's called. So you have them all. So you could put those on like the ones like Bo Peep and what's his name? Snort and the little puppy. You could put those on little smaller frames around the bigger ones and make a very cute gallery wall for those little kids. So the question of the day is, what craft am I making today? Am I using one of these stencils or heat transfers that I just got and making something fun? Or am I going to use my heart, here it is, my heart cutout and make this into a faux stained glass? You have to tell me. So come on, let me know. Put it in the post on the page. Okay, guys, I'll see you soon. Aloha.